In today's video, I will walk you through how to change canvas size in Inkscape. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open Inkscape and open an existing document or create a new one. Go to the File menu at the top and select Document Properties. This will open the document settings where you can adjust your canvas size. In the Document Properties panel, find the Page section.
Here, you'll see options for width, height, and units. Start by entering the desired value for the width of your canvas. Then enter the value for the height. The canvas will update immediately as you change these values. Next, choose the correct unit from the Units dropdown. You can use px for digital graphics, or cm for print projects, or in for measurements in inches. Make sure you select your unit before entering the final width and height values so your dimensions are accurate.
Once you're happy with the settings, simply close the Document Properties panel. Your canvas size has already been updated. And that's how to change canvas size in Inkscape. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.